Hello, welcome back. I hope you're all well and all that sort of stuff. Now this is going to be a little video about lawnmowers and lawnmower repairs, stuff like that. So if you're not into all that, this might not be for you. All the projects are still on the go, everything's going, still doing them all. But I'm going to do a little update video very shortly, because I did say that at the beginning of the year I did say in sort of March, April time we'll have another look at how things are running, and how I'm putting them up, because it was just a bit of an experiment how I was putting them up, videos up. So it's still all going. We've actually got a couple more projects I've been working on to come later on, very soon. But so that will be coming. I'll do a video separate through probably next week explaining about the projects. But this is about lawnmowers and lawnmower repairs, so if you're not interested in them, then go to the next video or whatever. Right, as most of you know, I'm a small engine mechanic, whatever you want to call me. I can imagine what you're calling me. But anyway, you know what I'm saying, small, lawnmowers, so, and ride-ons and all the rest of it. So the last couple of years, well, last year or so, I didn't do no lawnmower repairs last year. Well, I've done the odd one here, started one up or whatever here, but not, not as a business. So this, what we decided to do is go back into the lawnmower. I thought I was out of it forever. I thought last year, that's it, finished. Never going to touch another bloody lawnmower as long as I live. And I was quite happy with that. But circumstances have changed. I'm getting calls for lawnmowers repairs all the time, people knocking on my door, old customers and all the rest of it. So we decided I can't keep turning them down. I've got to go for it. I'm not going to do the mobile side, not this year. We'll see what happens. See how this year goes. Might go back into it. I quite like that. I enjoyed that more. It was bigger machines, and I did enjoy that more. It's just lack of work. So right, so basically I'm going to explain to you in a second how we're going to work it, because it's different than how I've ever run the mower repair side of it before. But first I want to mention YouTube and videos, because this channel sort of started as a mower sort of repair channel. It was just what I was doing at the time. I was repairing a few lawnmowers. I'd packed the workshop up about 2 years before that. I packed the workshop up about 10 years ago. So it was about 2 years before, about 2 years before that. Before I start again. I packed the workshop about 10 years ago. 2 years after I packed the workshop up, I started going and doing a few more lawnmowers, and then I started the channel about 7 years ago. Started the YouTube channel, and it was just what I had in here. So doing a few lawnmower repairs. So I've got a few followers who are lawnmower related, and all the rest of it. So the one thing I don't want to do is turn this channel into a lawnmower channel, and as long as people understand that, I think we'll be okay. Because we have still got the silly people who keep going, I don't know how to put that spring on that roller. I'm not on about carbs and things like that. I get it. I'm quite happy to show people layouts of carbs and springs and all that. I get it. There's loads of other mower channels all doing the same. That's fine. But what I'm trying to say is, when you get somebody who goes, oh, you should show me how to get that spring back on that roller car, I can't see where it goes, and then they go, I can't get it on. That's all down to technique and brain cells, and obviously I'm a big bloke, so I've got a bit of weight behind me. If springs were easy to put on, they wouldn't be no good, because they would fall off. That'd be pointless. And that's what I'm going to say. I have done a couple of versions of this, and thought better not, because I've lost my rag with it a bit. Spat me dummy out a couple of times. I don't want to go down that road. So, like I say, so that's one of the things, like I say, And also with the mower videos, and I've always said this, and I know a lot of you agree, especially people who do mower videos, it's that always somebody out there who comments that you're right, they're right and you're wrong. I've been doing mower things, I'm not being big-headed, but I've been doing swings for a long time, right? But so I'm not, like I say, I'm not trying to show off from nothing. What I'm trying to say is every day is a school day, every day is a learning day, and I learn something new every day. If I don't, then it's pointless, isn't it? And somebody will always have a better technique than yourself, and somebody will always have a different technique. And I'm open to try these things. You know, I mean, okay, I'm sort of old school, so I'm probably stuck in a lot of ruts, and I just do it the way I do it, or I forget sometimes. I haven't done something for a long time, and then I do it, and I think, why did I struggle? I should have just done what I used to do. What was this, that, and, you know. I say my memory's not as good as it used to be. So it's interesting. I don't mind people sort of saying that, but when they go, oh no, you shouldn't have done that, you should hit with a hammer, this, or wrong hammer, wrong screwdriver. I'm just doing it how I'm doing it to get the job done. That's how I am. So, like I say, that's the only thing that worries me about the YouTube side of it. Anybody's repaired anything will always get these. But there are so many, because the trouble is, there are so many channels out there. Like I say, there's some really good mower channels out there, but there are some shit ones. And what happens is, they will teach you wrong. We all know who they are. Normally the ones with, well, we won't say, but we have got a joke about DVD. It does come up whenever I do mowers, and I can't help it. And you know, there's Mick and a few of the others who know about this DVD thing, and we just, oh. Anyway, but like I'm saying, to put it nicely, the channels that will teach you wrong, and everybody follows that, and they put videos up, they do it wrong, and 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 they're totally wrong. And then when I do something, they go, oh, you've done it wrong, you should have done it. All I have to say, if you see a video with an air filter the wrong way round on a bridge engine, then okay, if it hasn't just come in like that and it's finished, but the job's finished and it's the wrong way round, forget it. That's all I'm saying on the subject. So that's YouTube. Like I say, I'm not going to bombard the channel with my videos. I don't want to do that. I might do one a week, one a fortnight. Might have a run of my videos, but I've got my other projects that are more important to me. Yeah, and I've had it in the past. We had it when I was doing the mower videos, and I did a video to go to Clacton with kids. Maybe a lot younger, well obviously 7 years younger. I took them to Clacton, and I had comments in there saying, this is a mower video, mower channel, not a swinging channel. It's not a family channel, your family channel. And I felt really bad, but I don't now, because this is my bloody channel and I put on what I like. Everybody tells you that. You have your own channel, we put on, and it's the same with comments when you get comments, and you look at these stupid comments about especially the spring situation, and you look and they've never made a video in their life. They haven't got a clue. Helicopter. I hope you can hear that. It's been over about 6 times today. Yeah, so yeah, that winds me up. And I know some people just do it to wind me up because, what the hell. But yeah, so anyway, that's the videos, the YouTube side of it. Like I say, there's not going to be bombarded with my videos. I've got a few free mowers I've been given. Well, I'm going to do some videos on them very, very shortly, probably like the next 10 minutes. Yeah, I've got a lovely hater turned up, lovely hater 41. I think it's a Hawk, it's mint. But, yeah, I'll do a video on that. I'm trying to think, people out here. I'm trying to build and everything else going around. Right, so the business side of it. Yeah, Heidi's the boss. Heidi's another boss, and she's in charge of people, customers. I don't mind people, I don't like customers. So she's in charge of it and ordering the parts and all the rest of it. All I'm doing is the repair and the servicing, and obviously I'm teaching her about the parts, so that when she orders parts, get what I want, because I'm very fussy. I like all genuine stuff, and yeah, so I do use the pattern part. Obviously, you have to, down to the customer a lot of the time. But silly little things you have to teach. I've teaching Heidi. We had a blade, ordered a blade for a mower, and just where it fits to the boss, I wanted it right. I wanted a quality blade, and she was looking at these blades, and she looked at this one, what was universal, such had like a groove in it. Okay, it listed that machine, but I wouldn't have fitted it. You know, at the end of the day, if a blade comes off, that's not good, or breaks, or causes more damage. It's not good. So I wanted the genuine blade, and I have to teach that to her, and she has to, you know, she understands. She's not daft. Well, she's the boss, so she's dealing with everything, and it makes life easier for me, a lot easier, because all I've got to worry about is the repair. I haven't got to worry about the person paying. Obviously, if they don't pay, then I get involved. You know. But yeah, so it's a lot better for me as it has been for the last. I guess I'm trying to think with the other side as well. Probably the last 15 years, it's all been down to me to do the ordering, the parts, you know, the dealing with everything. And I don't mind doing it. I'm quite happy doing it, but it just adds to your day, adds to everything. So obviously at the moment I'm only doing small mowers. I'm only doing like push mowers. The biggest thing I've got, you know, had in is a H56. That's the biggest thing I've had in. That's probably about the biggest thing I'll get. We might get the odd little ride on. There's a few of my customers still with ride ons that the old customers, I'd say I don't want going out to them and doing a little bit, but I'm not going to do a lot. So I don't think we're going to get much more bigger than a Westwood or a Count X or something like that. Obviously still doing the mixers, and you know, the mixers, cement mixers, disc cutters, all that sort of stuff. Got to come back into it, and a bit daft because I have told several people that I'm not doing it anymore, even though they do sort of phone up. But I'll just get back in touch with them and get the work come through. I don't want too much. I'm not being funny. I can do the cash, but I don't. I don't want to do the work. You know, so not a lot of us. But obviously over the last year, with everything changing, it's been a little bit different, and yeah, you know what I'm saying. So Heidi's running it. She's teaching me, you know, I'm teaching her what to do, and she's come up with a good idea. So obviously, office work is her thing, and ordering stuff is her thing. So she's teaching me a few things like that. She's going back to work, hopefully this month. Sometime this month, hopefully, so that she's been off work a long time. So hopefully this is going to be good for us and good for the channel, because we've had nothing since last March before, yeah. So over a year, 14 months, something like that, with nothing. So it's been pretty good. It'll be pretty good this month. I'm looking forward to the end of May. But yeah, that's all it is. So that's all I'm letting you know. You all know now that the building mowers come up. I'm going back into it. eBay, I'm not going to do the eBay shop back up again, not yet, for parts, because everybody is struggling to get parts. A lot of companies have gone down, and obviously we're still struggling getting stuff into the country, believe it or not. And it seems, especially with the bridge stuff, people are struggling to get the stuff from America. I know a lot of it's all made in Mexico and stuff like that, but you know, and I'm not too sure about the steel stuff actually. I haven't ordered any steel stuff yet, so if there's a problem, I'll probably let you know. Now I've done another thing I did the other day actually, so mention what I mentioned. I did the live pull start thing, 40 minutes to fit a full start, but it's just I wanted to try the camera, the internet. We're having loads of trouble with the internet again as well. Even though we had an engineer for 4 or 5 hours the other day. Yeah, I did the live pull cord. If you see it, if you like sort of thing, let me know, because I might do some more. but I won't do so much talking. I'll just put the camera up, do the work, mumble a few bits at you if I get a few comments I see, do that. Anyway, I'm rambling. I don't want to make this too long because I've done about 30 versions of this so far and I've not been happy really of including this one. But yeah, like I say, you know what to do if you like this video. Thumbs up would be good. And just remember, it's okay not to be okay. See you soon.